Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the daily recap for September 19, 2022. This is Spartan speaking, by the way. Let's take a look at what we did today. A couple different things. So market was a little extended to the downside today, so I was leaning bullish off the lows. Didn't think it would get a huge move, but ahead of FOMC, I figured we can grind higher, and that's exactly what happened. We did grind higher. We didn't really get our really big trades to the end of the day, which we did have SPX, and we got about 683% on the 38.95 calls, which was fantastic. But we'll go over that in just a second. Let's talk about what we did on the equity side first today. So we were pretty light. We were waiting for most of the day. We came in, we grabbed some TSLA out the gate, which was fantastic. Had great relative strength. We ended up going into our equity for 11 points. Options, we grabbed the 310 calls, and those ended up going about 74%. We grabbed some wicks out the gate. Equity on that for about 4 points. Then we rolled into the 85 calls, which went up 70%. So that was nice. Apple, we took some couple different trades on this one. We took short dated 155 calls and the 160 calls for next week, which worked out nicely. Same idea as a SPY. Figured they're going to go after the mega cap names, and Apple, had that news that came out on Friday, and I figured it was kind of overdone on it. And obviously we got that nice little push to the upside today on that, so I was happy with that one. HD, and Apple, that was about a 104% trade. We'll go through Roku as well. We took this one out the gate. On the option side, we grabbed the 80 calls for 76%. Like I said, the SPX calls at the end of the day, we got 683% on 38.95s, and then about 20 minutes before we took the 38.40 puts for 51%. We also tried the 38.35 puts. Those ones ended up not working. And then we have a couple things that we ended up swinging overnight, like the FLWS, which it didn't really go up much. It went up about, I think it was 20%, and then we just decided to swing it anyways. But other than that, pretty decent day on the option side. Equity side, BABA about 10%. There's a couple other things on the option side that worked. But 30%, 41%, not much. It was, basically kind of a scalp day. Equity side, Tesla Wicks, we've talked about those. HD, long for 1.5 points. mRNA, long at the end of the day for 1.5 points. We also tried this during the morning. We got stopped out of that one. Ended up, being out on top on it at the end of the day there. That VTAQ worked out nicely for us. We ended up grabbing it around 760, riding into the $10 range area, so about 2.5 points on that. Then we had BA long for about 1 point this morning as well. Other things that we had on the equity side, we took blue after it started to bottom out there around the 540 area. That ended up working nicely for almost 60 cents. Pretty close to it. We had some NBIX long, which ended up selling into the end of the day for about 30 cents, 40 cents to the upside. Apron, which we got about 20 cents on this one off the lows. Actually, about 14 cents. It wasn't that much. It was a shorter range one. SE ended up just exiting this one at the end of the day. It wasn't a bad trade, 70 cents on that one, so pretty decent. But other than that, equity side, we were really high hit rate today, so that was great. Options, a little bit mixed, but ended up coming out on top, which is nicely on that one big trade. It's more like I said, a grinder day. We kind of just waited for most of the day there. Anywho's, that's it, guys. You want to come trade with us? You can do so. Go to SpartanTrading.com. You can sign up there. You get access to the live stream as well as the Discord, where we post all of our alerts for the options and equity intraday day trades all day long. We answer questions all day. You get access to all the other moderators and all their ideas, answering questions all day long. We're there to help you guys learn. Of course, we do have another room as well, the swing room, if you guys are looking for more of swing type trading. That is something else you'll find on the website. You can follow up or reach out to us if you guys do have any questions, SpartanTrading.com, or you can add Spartan Trading on Twitter anytime you'd like. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one, and we'll talk to you all later. See ya.